guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see from the thumbnail, we are doing my fall decor haul. This is my first time really doing fall decor. I've never decorated before for any other holiday but Christmas because Christmas is my favorite. But I have really gotten into wanting to decorate for the seasons now, and I'm actually still trying to get settled in our house and in our apartment. So I'm going to show you guys what I bought so far. I'm sure I'll be going back and probably do a second one. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. But before we do, I'm gonna say, if this is your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me. If you are already a subscriber, hey girl, hey. Let's get into this decor. This is like all random. I did go to Target, Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, and I think some stuff might be from IKEA. I'm not going to do them in like groups, but I will tell you where I got the item from and how much it was. All right? And if I can link anything, I will below. So the first thing, I want to see if y'all can see this. The first thing is this pumpkin sign. It says pumpkin patch. They have one that is like an apple orchard, but I really like the pumpkin patch one. And it was $5. It's a pretty good size. Next is gonna be like the same thing, but for a pillow version, and this is $5. It's not like a throw pillow. It's kind of like an accent pillow to a throw pillow. This was also $5, and on this side it has the pumpkin patch, and on the opposite side it has the apple orchard. So next I have these two pumpkins. This pumpkin says farm fresh, locally grown produce. This one's really cute, and it kind of really goes with my decor. This one I'm thinking about going to get more so I can DIY and like personalize these pumpkins for each room. So like I would do London's. I'm thinking about doing hers pink with a cute little saying on it, and then doing maybe something like Fortnite-ish looking for Logan's room. And I might just keep one this because I really do like this this pumpkin. I like the color and everything of it, so then I could just use one that's regular. But yeah, I thought it would be cool to kind of DIY some different pumpkins for around the house, and these are just $1 from the Dollar Tree. Keeping on task with the Dollar Tree, I got this yard pick, but I'm definitely not going to use it for that. I'm going to be DIYing it. It's not going to be a difficult DIY. I'm really just going to use the truck without the stick, basically. And some more from there. Again, these are really cute just to have by themselves, like to display by themselves. However, I think that I am going to DIY a welcome sign or DIY something with this. I'm not sure yet. Next, I got these two picks of greenery. These are little eucalyptus. They're pretty big and full. This is one bunch, and they were $2 a piece. Then I have these bushels, and these are Delilah bush is what they're called. They're really cute flowers. I think that they're very pretty, and I know that they are a floral. I think it feels like it would bring like just a little warmth. Some places in the house I might not want to go as dark with the orange color, so I thought that this would be a great alternative for that. Next, I got some good old eucalyptus. This is one pick from Walmart. They're 97 cents. I thought that these would be great to make, like, you can make your own, what is it called? What is that thing called? Like a garland or whatever. I'm trying to see. Hold on, y'all. I'm struggling. But you can make like your own garland on the tabletop or whatever. These are like really great for 97 cents. I think that these are really nice. Next, I got these from, they said this is the eucalyptus bundle. I don't know. Anyways, I got this from the Target Dollar Spot. It looks like 3 picks for $3. So really that's $1 a pick. That's really good. I know it seems like I got a lot of florals, but the next floral bunches that I got are these hydrangeas. I thought that this would be perfection for the like burnt orange that I'm liking in green. I'm loving green and burnt orange for the fall this year. So yeah, I got these, and these were from the Dollar Tree. They're hydrangeas, and they were $1 a piece. So this, I probably saw this pumpkin floral in every single fall decor haul or fall decor decorate with me, and I'm sorry, I just absolutely love it. It makes me think about Cinderella. I'm probably gonna go back and get plenty of more to incorporate these in my daughter's room, because she is like really excited about the fall and everything. So these were from, this is from Hobby Lobby, and it's $9.99 for this one, but they were 40% off. So what's that, $6? $6 for this pick. Next, I got this from the Target dollar spot, and it was $3. Little truck. It'll be good for tier trays. Got this is from Walmart. It is Harvest Bowl Filler. It's a couple of pumpkins in there, different sizes. There's some green ones, and I don't know if you can see that. Y'all work with me with the lighting. There's green ones and white ones, or cream looking ones. And this is again from Walmart for $2.98. Then I got these. I'm going to definitely paint these. This color just doesn't work for me. They are pumpkin pins. I got them from Dollar Tree, and they was $3-4. So I thought that was a good price, especially to do a little DIY with them. This little pretty thing, oh my god, it's so cute. From Walmart, it was $5.98. So $6 for a pumpkin this size. Like this, oh, it is so cute. I want to go get quite a few more to do some DIYs with them. Then from Dollar Tree, I got these two little scarecrow bundles. I don't know what's in here, but it's just like little fabric ones. And he has on a red hat, and I think that she has on like a little, I don't know what color her, like a khaki. But I like the colors, and they're really cute together. Super cute. Oh, Dollar Tree for $1 a piece. Then I got some more pumpkins in autumn fill. Looks like there's some squash pumpkins. These are like more of the browns. I mean the reds and mustard yellow colors with some pine cones. This was $3 in the Target dollar spot. I really liked this one because of the acorns too. Next, I got these two pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. They had them in different colors, but I liked these ones the best. They had like a darker, like a brown one. These are suede. They had blue. They had quite a few different colors. But yeah, these are suede pumpkins, and they were $1 from the Dollar Tree. Next, I got little straw bales of straw or hay or whatever you want to call them. I got these. I thought they would be really cute to dress up like at the in like a little corner in the kitchen counters or in the bathrooms. I thought that these would be cute, so I got 3 of them. And I got these from IKEA. Super cute. I don't know if you can see. That's what they look like. This is what the pillow looks like. They have like the pumpkins, and it's like a yellowish green color. When you put it against green, it really pops. Yellow, not so much. They look yellow green, but when you put them up for green, you can definitely tell it's supposed to be green and not yellow. Okay, so next I got this from IKEA. I love the colors. Loved them. And then last but not least, I got this little crate, I'm guessing is what it is. I don't know. It's got stuff hanging from it. It's all damaged and not that great, but I don't think that these are ever supposed to be just so great. I think I paid $3 for it. It was on clearance at Hobby Lobby, so I paid like $3 for it, and I'm just gonna use it for outside decor, and pumpkins and cuteness. So that's what that is for. So that is the first haul. Like I said, I'm pretty sure either this week or next week I will be trying to finish out the shopping that I want to get and be fully decorated. You know what I'm saying? We also do have an extra room in this house now, so it's just like trying to buy enough stuff for everything. I would decorate a little bit for Halloween, but really never fall. This will literally be the first time. So I'm like, all of this stuff is new. You won't see anything in a fall tour that is not this new, because I've literally just bought everything this year. It's my first year, so I ain't even about to have all that much stuff, because I don't even think I have enough time to shop for all the things that I would like to get. But that is the haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have not seen my empty apartment tour, go ahead and go watch that, because you'll be able to see how I changed the spaces. You know what I mean? Like, how I just decked it all out. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.